How to be a better friend. One, two, or too many. All of us have people we can call our friends. To some, they may be family members, and to some, just colleagues they met along the way as they traveled through life. The big and difficult questions I have for you today are you a good friend? Do you strive to be a better friend? In today's video, I'll give you some wisdom on how to be a better friend. Who knows? Maybe this list will help you reflect on the people you should keep and those you should reconsider having in your life. Welcome to Savvy, where we have lots of practical wisdom to share. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button below, and while you're at it, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more advice here at Savvy. Number 1. Meet and interact. When you meet up with your friends, what do you usually do with your time together? It's a no-brainer that the default activity would be to sit and chat. Sometimes you won't even notice the amount of time that has passed when the good talk has already started. However, no matter how good it is to catch up, remember that the best memories are created with experiences. Try initiating fun activities next time you meet up with a friend. From board games to baking sessions, or maybe just a trip to a museum. Number 2. Meet often. While it's not a requirement for friendships to gather often in order to keep them, making the effort to do so would certainly stoke the fire of such friendships. Especially for those friends who live nearby. It won't hurt to invite them over for lunch or dinner once in a while. Not only would you get to talk about your updated food preferences, but also have the opportunity to check in on your mental health and general life statuses. Number 3. Physically and mentally present. Friends have each other for the main reasons of having someone to talk to and being able to listen to someone. Imagine what a bummer it would be if you are sharing a sensitive topic or life dilemma with a friend who is constantly distracted by his phone. While you don't want this to happen to you, make sure you also don't do this to anyone. A friend listens genuinely, and it isn't just enough to be physically there for someone. To be a better friend is to be present in all forms when needed, with no compromises. Number 4. Be trustworthy. Admit it, one of the perks of having real friends is to have someone else share your secrets and vice versa. Along with secrets is the temptation to divulge these things to other people. But with that comes the consequence of betraying your friend. When a friend does trust you enough for him to tell you his secrets, keep those secrets dear and sealed. When faced with temptation, always put your shoes in the other person's place and ask yourself, would I want my secrets to be betrayed by my friend to someone else? Number 5. Be empathic. To be a better friend, always empathize with your friends when they are going through some tribulations. With your empathy, they might feel the weight ease off a bit, and they will have the confidence in knowing they have someone to talk to who would understand. In times of their achievements, cheer them on and be happy for them without expecting anything in return. Number 6. Open mind, open heart. Nobody is perfect, yet despite this fact, we still try to navigate through life in search of something that comes as close to perfection. When we fail and realize our imperfections, who do we turn to? Family and friends. With friends, sometimes you'll gain more confidence in being accepted as who you are. That means sharing vulnerable things about yourself that takes some bravery. So stay open-minded about things your friend will share. Consider their situations and always choose to be mentally available for them when they need advice or just someone to listen to them. Keep an open heart as well. Number 7. A little gratefulness won't hurt. It's good to receive affirmations, don't you think? You may be one of those who are squeamish when it comes to being appreciated but when you do receive them, they feel great. In friendships, appreciation is a treat. From time to time, tell your friends that you appreciate them. And when it's you who receives the appreciation, make sure to say thank you in your own way. While we're at it, let me ask you this. Are you grateful for the friends that you have? Such a simple question reveals a lot of realizations, doesn't it? Number 8. Admit to your mistakes. Fights and misunderstandings are normal in friendships. When you are in the wrong, practice apologizing in the right way and do it promptly. Notice that honesty is also required in being sincerely apologetic. That's right. You have to be able to tell the truth because some mistakes are overlooked by your friend and they might blame others because they would think too highly of you. For example, you might have shared a fact about your friend to someone she dislikes, and now she blames some other person for it. Take control of the situation by coming clean and admitting to your friend that it was you, even if it's hard. Maybe he will understand your reasons for it. After all, you just shared a fact and not a secret. Pride may take away valuable friendships if let on. Number 9. Lend a hand. Support your friend in ways you know, big or small. This might mean showing up to an event they organized, or accompanying them to a concert they have been waiting for most of their lives, or simply just studying with them for an exam. Lightening up the load your friend carries, as long as you don't compromise yourself, is one of the ways to be a better friend. Lastly, number 10. You aren't the only one. Just like you, your friend has other circles of friends that don't involve you. Simply put, your friend has going-ons in life that don't include you, relationship-wise, and that's okay. Life is hard enough without additional drama, so don't start one. Instead, support your friend about her other friends, and they're tied together. You would want that same support, right? Don't be intimidated by this list of how to be a better friend. These are just guides, and in life, they even come out naturally, especially if your friendship is genuine. They're more like guidelines. But for those of you who are just starting out on a path of consciously being a good friend, practice these tips. And the fact that you're making the effort makes you a better friend already. Hooray! Well, that is enough practical wisdom for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up below. We will be posting 4 to 5 videos per week, so click that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified of our new videos weekly. Thanks everyone, and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao!